Today, we are going to make our yummy, easy-to-make Italian pizza sauce. We will use this when we make our deep dish pizza recipe, which we will link in this video description. So let's get started. In a small to medium bowl, add 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, a half teaspoon dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, a half teaspoon dried basil, a half teaspoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Stir all the ingredients together well. Now it's time to make our deep dish pizza recipe, which the whole family will enjoy. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.